Hello, year one. Welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Okay, today we're going to be identifying numbers to 50. Okay, so we're going to be finding them on our number square and find out a bit more about each of the numbers. So write down the numbers 1 to 10 in order for your starter. So you can write them as starting at 1 over here all the way to 10. If you want to stretch yourselves, I would really love to see some of you writing the numbers in words underneath. Okay, press pause and have a go. Okay, so I have started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did the numbers first so that when I was writing the words for the numbers, I wouldn't get lost. So then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So we're going to be using our knowledge of counting in tens. So before we do that, this is your opportunity to get something like this. So you might have a bigger teddy bear and lots of little teddy bears to represent the ones. You might have a big biscuit or a cookie to represent the 10 and smaller pieces of biscuits to represent each one. Okay, and you also need your number square from Monday if you've still got that. Okay, so we're going to go through and remember what this represents. I wonder if you can remember. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, this represents 10. So we're going to go through and we are going to count and practice counting in tens. So let's count how many we have. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's count the rest. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's count. Shall we count backwards or shall we carry on counting forwards? We'll count forwards once more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's count backwards this time. So we'll start on 40. We know we've got 40 because it says 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Okay, let's go back to going forward. So let's go 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so we're going to be making numbers and we're going to be finding them on our number line. So today's lesson is going to be a bit more practical than normal. So there's not really much of an expectation to do any writing for the main part of the video. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you a number and I'm going to tell you to press pause. What I want you to do is firstly, I want you to find it on your number square. So I found the number 22 over here. Then I would like you to make the number 22 with your resources. So I've got 10, 20, 21, 22. Then if you wanted to do some writing or so you can verbalize this, so you can tell yourself or anybody in the room, or you can write it. So I know that 22 has 2 10s and 2 1s. Okay, so that's kind of what it's going to look like, but it's going to be split up into different slides. The first number I would like you to find on your number square and then make is the number 44. Press pause and have a go. Okay, let's have a look. So I've used my teddy bears and I've also shown it using the base 10, okay, the Deans. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 has 4 10s and 4 1s. Okay, the next one I'd like you to do is the number 26. How many 10s and 1s does 26 have? Okay, that's right. It has 2 10s and 6 ones. And you can see that I've represented it using my teddy bears and I've marked it on my number square. Have a look and see if you've managed to do that correctly. Your next one is 37. I've got 37 on my number square. Press pause and have a go. I've got 3 lots of 10s, so 10, 20, 30. So 3 10s and 7 ones. So 2, 4, 6, plus 1, 7. I've managed to do that okay. Then the number 28, press pause and have a go. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 2 10s and 8 ones. See if you can do 9. How many 10s does 9 have? That one was a trick. Of course, there are no 10s in 9. So there are 0 10s and 9 ones. I haven't done it. Haven't got quite enough there, have I? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good job. I added that extra one. So you might need to go back and make sure you've got enough. Okay, let's do this one. Number 15. Find it on your number square. It has 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones. Did you also remember to circle it on your number square? Okay, well done for completing all of those. I know there were lots to do. Hopefully you found it quite fun getting your resources out and getting ready, doing a bit less writing today. If you wanted to give yourself a further challenge or do a bit more writing, you could represent these numbers and write them underneath in the square and then write so you can see the numbers. So for example, you would write here 1 and 3, and that makes 13. Okay, there's this side you can press pause on, and there is the next side you can press pause on. So that's your challenge X if you want to do a little bit more learning. I hope you've enjoyed the more practical lesson today, and I hope you found it really useful knowing those 10s and 1s. Okay, well done, and I will see you soon.